When it comes to heavy equipment, every single part matters. Machines like the CAT E330 or E350 excavators, or graders such as the 140H and 160H, are designed for serious work, moving tons of earth, grading terrain, and operating for long hours in tough conditions. But none of that happens without one component that often works quietly in the background: the fuel injection pump. Today, the spotlight is on the 111-3769 fuel injection pump, a refurbished replacement built to keep CAT 3306 engines running strong. Let's start with why the fuel injection pump matters in the first place. In any diesel engine, this pump determines how much fuel enters the cylinders and at what exact time. That means it directly impacts efficiency, engine performance, and emissions. A faulty pump throws all of that off. You'll notice sluggish performance, rough idling, hard starts, and poor fuel economy. For a construction company or operator, that's not just an inconvenience, it's downtime, higher costs, and potentially missed deadlines. The 3306 engine is legendary in the world of heavy machinery. It's been trusted for years to deliver consistent power and long-lasting performance. But like any engine, it depends on critical components to function. The 111-3769 pump was designed to fit seamlessly into CAT E330 and E350 excavators as well as 140H and 160H graders. That broad compatibility makes it a go-to option for fleets that run multiple machine types with the 3306 engine. Now, let's talk refurbishment. Some people hear the word refurbished and think of a used part that's been dusted off. But that's not the case here. A refurbished injection pump goes through a full process. It's disassembled, cleaned, and inspected for wear. Any critical internal components that don't meet the standard are replaced. Then the pump is reassembled and tested under real conditions to make sure it delivers the right amount of fuel with the correct timing. The goal is simple: restore it to like new performance. Why choose refurbished over new? Cost is one of the biggest reasons. Brand new OEM parts come at a premium, and for fleet managers or individual operators, that adds up quickly. A refurbished unit saves money while still providing the reliability you need. Plus, refurbished parts like the 111-3769 are usually more readily available, which means less waiting around for parts to arrive and more time keeping your machines active on the job site. Durability also plays a huge role here. Excavators and graders don't operate in gentle environments. These machines face dust, extreme temperatures, mud, and constant heavy loads. The 111-3769 pump has been through a testing process that simulates those conditions, ensuring it can stand up to real-world use. On top of that, the included 3-month warranty adds peace of mind, proving the refurbishing process is about performance, not just looks. Think about the impact of a reliable pump on job performance. In a CAT E330 excavator, you need power and efficiency when digging deep trenches or lifting heavy loads if fuel delivery isn't right. The whole machine struggles. In a grader like the 160H, the job requires consistent power to push through hours of grading with precision. A healthy fuel pump ensures those machines deliver the power they were designed to, keeping the work flowing smoothly and efficiently. Another aspect worth pointing out is maintenance. With refurbished parts, you're not going in blind. Every unit has been inspected and tested before shipping. That means fewer surprises when it's installed, and less chance of costly downtime once the machine is back in operation. For operators who depend on their equipment daily, that's critical. It's also worth mentioning the sustainability angle. Refurbishing parts extends the life of existing components, reducing waste and making better use of resources. In an industry that consumes a huge amount of energy and raw materials, every sustainable choice counts. Choosing a refurbished injection pump over scrapping and replacing the entire unit helps contribute to a greener approach to equipment maintenance. From a financial perspective, downtime is the enemy of productivity. When a machine is idle because of a failed pump, the project slows down and costs climb. By having access to a reliable